Are you tired of struggling with bulky vacuums that make cleaning a chore? Say hello to the Levoit LVAC 200 stick vacuum, the lightweight, powerful, and ultra-convenient vacuum cleaner that will transform your cleaning routine. This cordless vacuum is designed for ultimate ease, efficiency, and versatility, perfect for modern homes and busy lifestyles. And the best part? You can enjoy 10% off for a limited time. Why choose the Levoit LVAC 200 stick vacuum? Ultra lightweight and cordless convenience. Forget about dragging around heavy, outdated vacuums. The Levoit LVAC 200 is incredibly lightweight, making it effortless to maneuver around furniture, up and down stairs, and even in tight spaces. With its cordless design, you can clean every corner of your home without being restricted by wires. Plus, with 10% off, now is the perfect time to upgrade your vacuum. Powerful suction for deep cleaning. Equipped with a high-performance motor, this stick vacuum provides strong suction power that easily lifts dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning, the LVAC 200 gets the job done efficiently. And yes, we're giving you 10% off today. Long-lasting battery life. Say goodbye to short cleaning sessions. The Levoit LVAC 200 offers up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, ensuring you can clean multiple rooms without interruptions. With fast recharging capabilities, it's always ready when you need it. Take advantage of our 10% off deal and enjoy hassle-free cleaning every day. Versatile, 2-in-1 design. Need to clean upholstery, car interiors, or hard-to-reach spots? This vacuum quickly converts into a handheld vacuum for maximum convenience. Whether it's your sofa, car seats, or high shelves, the Levoit LVAC 200 has you covered. And remember, you can grab it today for 10% off. Advanced filtration system. Keep your home fresh and allergen-free with the vacuum's high-efficiency filtration system. It captures fine dust particles, pollen, and pet dander, ensuring cleaner air and a healthier home environment. Perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners. Don't miss out. Get yours now with 10% off. Easy to empty dustbin and washable filter. No more messy cleanups. The LVAC 200 features a large capacity dustbin that empties with just one click, and the washable filter means you can use it over and over again, saving money in the long run. And right now, you can save even more with 10% off. Why buy now? With its sleek design, powerful performance, and unbeatable convenience, the Levoit LVAC 200 stick vacuum is a must-have for any home. Don't miss this opportunity to get yours at a special 10% off discount for a limited time. Order today and experience effortless cleaning like never before.